Hey everyone. So in this video, I'll be discussing how to connect or how to fetch data from various sources into your Excel workbook. So I'll just go to data tab here right at the top. Here you can see just the overview. You can get fetch the data from various CSV files, text files, from web pages. And if you want more options, just click on this get data. And here to get your import your data from your local files, your JSON format, PDF format, from your databases, SQL databases, IBM, Databricks, then from your cloud services, Azure. Then you can also get the data from your web or from a table. Let's see a few examples. Let's see some couple examples. First, let's say how to get the data from your local file. So I'll just go to the data from file. Let's say I want to import the data from a CSV format file. Then just select from which file you want to. I just have some examples. Company bankruptcy prediction, one of the CSV files. Click on import. Yes. Then just click on load. So that CSV format file is imported to your Excel workbook. So in the similar manner, you can also import data from your various local files. It is simple, pretty straightforward. Now, let's see how to import data from your databases, from your online databases. So I have a credentials of this online database. It's a SQL database of DataMites. I'll be using the same thing. So again, I'll go to get data from databases and just select MySQL databases from MySQL database. Here, the server name is 18.136.157. So inside that, there is a database called as DataMites underscore SQL. I'll be importing that database, which contains all the tables. Click on OK. Yeah, so it's getting connected to that. In that database, we have several tables: customers table, department table, orders table. Let's say I want to import this customers table and departments table. Click on load. Yes, you got this. So this is a simple manner to get the tables from your database. Now, the third method, let's see how to get the data from any of the web page. For that, let me just quickly search for any web page. Okay, so I just got this list of lakes by area. So I'll use this Wikipedia web page, list of lakes by area. Just copy the link of this web page. Now let's go back to Excel. From this web page, I want to import the data. Excuse me. Right. So again, let's go to data, from get data, from other sources, from web page. So I want to import the data from the web page. Just paste the link from which you want to import. Click on OK. Okay, in that web page, there are several pages. So I'll just import this document or this conventional list of lakes by area. So the entire data is converted into a table with the name of the lake, country, the type of lake, is it saline or freshwater, area of that lake, length, maximum depth, all the data. Just click on load. Yes, we have successfully imported the data from your database, your web page, from your local files. Okay, thank you everyone.